Amazon Marketing Strategy, a brief guide. Understanding of Amazon's marketing strategy. The key marketing implementation behind Amazon's marketing strategy success is the incorporation of digital marketing into their strategies. This massive level of growth can be achieved only when the digital marketing challenges are properly analyzed and the
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description. Before
the fundamentals of digital marketing are precisely applied. Starting with a basic e-commerce platform, Amazon is now one of the leading multinational business companies targeting e-commerce, cloud computing, multimedia streaming, artificial intelligence, and many other such in-trend technical fields. A well-structured Amazon marketing strategy has played a crucial role in ensuring its dominance in these industries. On July 5, 1994, Jeff Bezos founded and launched Amazon, initially as a book marketplace, from his garage in Bellevue, Washington, USA. From an online marketplace for books, it has now expanded into a multi-product category-based e-commerce platform with a by name earned as the Everything Store. In a short period of time, just 3 months, Amazon sold books in around 45 different countries without the aid of any marketing platforms or anything else. With its expanded global reach, Amazon Global Marketing Strategy services to more than 200 different countries, and on its website, one can find practically anything they could need to buy. With a precisely analyzed and designed Amazon marketing strategy analysis, Amazon was able to achieve such rapid growth in a very short span when compared to other competing businesses. Amazon's ability to deliver products efficiently is backed by a robust logistics network. Learn more about how Amazon Logistics plays a vital role in its e-commerce dominance. Amazon's marketing strategy has also become one of the most popular case study topics for students at top MBA colleges. Here is a case study analysis of Amazon's marketing strategy, which can help you differentiate this company from its competitors. History of Amazon marketing. The history of Amazon marketing is marked by significant milestones and strategies that have contributed to the company's growth and dominance. Here's a concise overview. 1994, founded by Jeff Bezos as an online bookstore. 1997, went public and expanded product range. 2005, introduced Amazon Prime for fast shipping and more. 2010s, expanded globally and launched AWS. 2017, acquired Whole Foods and entered the grocery industry. Marketing mix of Amazon. What is a marketing mix? You may be wondering. A company comes up with a unique idea to present itself and to promote itself by mixing multiple areas as a part of its marketing plan. Such a marketing strategy is called a marketing mix. One of the most renowned examples of this approach can be seen in Amazon's marketing strategies, particularly the Amazon Marketing Mix 7PS approach. A marketing mix consists of 4 major key elements: product, pricing, locations, and promotion. These 4 elements in a company's marketing plan are commonly referred to as the 4 Ps and are extremely effective when developing a marketing plan to market a product or service to their target audiences. Now, let's look at the 4 Ps of Amazon's marketing strategy. Product. As previously discussed, Amazon was only into selling books at the initial stages of its establishment. After all these years, Amazon is now capable of successfully selling products in multiple different categories. Amazon's seller marketing strategy has helped in expanding product lines efficiently. They include categories like kitchen accessories, electronics, outdoor accessories, books, artwork, and many more. Pricing. From the business perspective of any company, pricing a product or a service can be done in many ways. But the best way to price a product or a service would be to make the customers spend their money reasonably. To compete with its competitors, Amazon came up with a unique strategy to bring customers in and make them spend. Amazon advertising strategy plays a significant role in setting competitive prices and attracting customers. One of the best pricing strategies used by Amazon is what they call competitive pricing.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.